Alright guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a basic video. So I know y'all have seen like this on YouTube where it says video is like unavailable. I mean it's inappropriate for some users, and you guys don't have a Gmail account or you guys just don't want to go through the process of that. I'll tell you guys how to do it without it. Alright guys, so let's get straight into it. So I'm going to find a video that's basically blocked. Alright, so this isn't one. So I'm going to just keep searching them. Hold on guys. Taking a long time. Drano. Alright guys, just bear with me guys. This is going to be definitely worth it. So let's try this one. I just gotta find one that's, blocked. See, like right here, it says this video may be inappropriate for some users. So basically, I forgot what the thing is, but I understand and wish to proceed. And right here, I think I'm gonna copy n has underscore verified equals 1. So you're gonna copy that. Let's go back now. And now, basically after that, you're gonna put Control V, paste it. Just give it a second. And now you access the video. So basically it's end, the end sign has underscore verified equals 1. So I'm gonna basically post that in the description. Alright guys, that's it. Bye.